In this session, we shall discuss MTP, medical termination of pregnancy. What do you mean by medical termination of pregnancy? It is nothing but voluntary termination of the pregnancy, right? Before the full term is called as medical termination of pregnancy, right? Voluntary termination of pregnancy before the full term called as medical termination of pregnancy. It is called as in the entire world 45 to 50 million number of MTPs have been done nowadays in 1 year, right? Near about 45 to 50 millions of MTPs have been done all over the world in a year, right? And it is equivalent to 1/5 of total conceptions or pregnancy in a year, right? That many number of MTPs have been done, right? So nowadays it is a one kind of method we can consider it as. It is one kind of method of decreasing the population, right? Or population controlling measure it is considered as, right? MTP is considered as population controlling majorities said as, right? And even though it is considered as controlling measure, so it is not meant specially for it. It's not meant for population control. Remember, so MTP is not a controlling measure of the population, but we can consider with some extent we can reduce the population through this MTPs, of course, but it is not the methodology, it is not the controlling measure of the population itself, right? And many of the countries, so they were making the debate upon this concept whether we have to legalize this MTP or not. At that moment, India made it legal in the year 1971, right? India made MTP legal in the year 1971. This point is very important one, right? So India made MTP legal in the year 1971, but with some of the conditions, some of the restrictions. So it is been legalized in India, right? So what are those restrictions, right? Some conditions are kept against, so this rule itself, that is MTP itself. If MTP is too essential, then only this MTP is being done, medical termination of pregnancy is being done. So if it is illegal, then it shouldn't be done, right? That kind of so conditions were made by Indian government on those days. Strict rules. What kind of conditions or the rules have been done by government of India is, so nowadays, so MTP is not at all done so as to kill the female fetus itself, right? Why? Because many of the reports have been received in India mainly, so that so many people are avoiding the female baby itself, so that the before the birth of the baby, the feticide or the female feticide has been done by the people nowadays, right, in India. So as to avoid this one, So to avoid this one, special conditions or the strict rule has been done so for doing this MTP itself. This is one thing. And so why MTP is needed over here? Why MTP is needed when it is being done? The question arises. First reason for MTP itself is to rid of unwanted pregnancy by the couple. Why this pregnancy occurred then? It is due to sometimes failure of the contraceptives, or it may be unprotected sexual intercourse is being done by the couple, right? So that moment what happens is to rid of that unwanted pregnancy, MTP is preferred first. And second reason is sometimes rape may occur, right? So as to eradicate that pregnancy which is happened due to this rape, so that moment MTP is preferred over here, right? So these are the reasons for the MTP. And one more important reason for MTP itself is the continuation of the pregnancy is harmful to both baby as well as mother, or else mother or the baby. That moment MTP is preferred inevitably, right? So that is also the third reason. The continuation of the pregnancy is harmful to mother or the baby or both of themselves. That moment also MTP is preferred over here. So now we came to know why MTP is being done, in what conditions it is being done, right? And the next one, when MTP is being done, the question arises. It is very safe to do this MTP in the first trimester. In the first trimester, it is safer to do this MTP, but it is not safe. It is not safe in the second trimester. So why? Because it is more risk itself. It is more riskier. So in the second trimester. But so many of the disturbing things that we are hearing, that many number of MTPs, plenty of the MTPs have been done by the unqualified quacks itself or unqualified doctors itself, right? So this is more dangerous. Why? Because it is fatal. Another dangerous trend has started. What is that trend itself is? So misuse of amniocentesis. So what is this amniocentesis? Already you know. The sex determination of the baby is done before the delivery of the baby itself, right? Is called as what? Amniocentesis, right? And this sex determination, when it is being done, that moment, if the female baby is there, female fetus is there, then female fetus side is being done, right? So why? Because there is a lot of discrimination nowadays done by the people in between the male as well as female. Nowadays the society itself is male dominant society. Because of this reason, so male is preferred first, or male is always preferred, not the female. Because of this reason, misuse of the amniocentesis is done over here. So it leads to MTP of the female baby itself, right? So these are the major reasons, as well as the trends what are happening nowadays regarding or with respect to this MTP itself, right? This is all about the MTP. Thank you.